Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to fix laggy cutscenes on Xbox in 2025 so your games run smoothly again. Step 1. Check for games and updates. Go to My Games and Apps, highlight the game, press the menu button and choose Manage Games and Add-ons. If there is an update, install it. Developers often patch performance issues. Step 2. Clear your Xbox cache, power down the console, and plug the power cable for 60 seconds, then plug it back. In this removes temporary files that may cause stutter. Step 3. Free up storage space. If your hard drive is almost full, cutscenes can lag. Go to Settings, System, Storage, and delete or move unused games to an external drive. Keep at least 20% free space for smooth performance. Step 4. Switch graphics settings. If available, some newer titles let you choose between performance mode and quality mode. Use performance mode for smoother cutscenes and gameplay. Check your internet. If the cutscenes are streamed, like in cloud gaming, a wired Ethernet connection is always more stable than Wi-Fi. Pro tip: if cutscenes are lagging, reinstall the game. Corrupted files are common hidden codes. And that's it. Update, clear the cache, free space, adjust settings, and check your connection. Your Xbox cutscenes should now play without lag. Thanks everyone for watching.